Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Teen Info. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about Propo review. Surya turns on his good mood with fantasy action serving as a solid comeback. Are you planning to watch Surya's trailer Propo in theaters? Here's the Peg Villa review for you to check out by Gautam as updated on 15 May 2026. Neem Propo director RJ Balaji cast Surya Trisha Krishnan RJ Balaji Indran Niti Subramaniam Sviska S. Shivara, Angamaya Ravi, Suprit Reddy, writer R. J. Balaji, Ashwin, Ravichandran, Rahul Raj, T. S. Gopi Krishnan, Kiran Arvind Kumar, rating 5 by 4. Group of sharing Surya and Tarisha Krishnan is in the lead roles. Was released in theaters on 15 May 2026 after initial screening struggles with director R.K. Balaji himself playing the co-lead. Here's the Big Villa review for you to check out and now whether to catch the film in theaters or not. The plot Propo begins with a robbery in Chennai with events unfolding in their usual chaotic manner. As the coast reached officials, the judiciary is exposed as corrupt and firmly under the control of the powerful, even though a few morally upright individuals stand against it. Social justice remains elusive, leaving the underprivileged to suffer in this time of need. The Guardian Diary Kroposamy witnesses the decay of justice and takes human from as Saravanan to fight for what is right. What follows is the story of how God ensures righteousness for his people. What works in Kropo? Kropo is nothing without its star Surya the actor along with the fan service woven into the narrative demonstrates how an entertainer can thrive on the legacy built by the one over the years with flavorful moments and a charming character. The singer actor dominates every frame he appears in, making even non-fans cheer for him. The aura he carries translates effortlessly onto the screen, allowing the film to explore more of the star than the actor. While the concept itself is a risky venture, archaeology as co-writer, actor, and director manages to deliver a strong film. Although the first half suffers from some pacing issues, the moment Surya enters as Saravanan, the film takes a massive upward turn and becomes a truly entertaining ride. The performances from the co-leads and supporting cast are strong, and the fan service is effectively woven into the narrative. However, the soul of the film lies in, say, Abhyankar's music. The composer proves to be the perfect choice for the subject with his songs and background score elevating the godlike character exactly as required. Moreover, the editing and cinematography worked well for the film, making it a technical solid project. Watch the trailer for Cropo. What doesn't work in Cropo? While most of the film works as a perfect theatrical experience, Cropo occasionally slips into cringeworthy and cross-territory. Some of the dialogues, despite being designed as fan service, may come across as off-putting to certain viewers. However, they do not significantly hamper the overall experience. Additionally, a few of the VFX heavy moments appear amateurish. The performance. Robo features Surya in one of the best roles he has taken on in recent years, not necessarily from a pure acting standpoint, but because the role perfectly suits his image and era. It reminds audiences of the glory days when the actor impressed viewers with films like Gijini and Singham. Stylish, larger than life entertainers that prioritize swagger over substance, but in the best possible way. Trisha Krishnan looks fabulous as ever and delivers exactly what her role demands without overdoing it. Meanwhile, the biggest surprise is Archibald, who shines as a vicious and cunning antagonist, pulling off the role with near perfect conviction. Spotting actors like veteran performer Indrans and Anaga Maya Ravi also leave a strong impression with their characters. The verdict. Roberts wrote a film meant to be deeply analyzed or praised for novelty. The core concept has been explored before, but the narration style and sheer swagger with which it is presented make it an engaging entertainer. Packed with spectacular fight sequences and hustle-worthy moments, Tropo is a film designed to be enjoyed in a theater with a lively audience. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this article are those of the author and do not reflect the official policy or position of Penguilla. No statement in this article is intended to defame, harm, or malign any individual or entity. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Good